Welcome to Allison
and Mariah show.
Today we're going to do a science experiment. It is about density.
We're going to make a lava lamp with you today.
A few materials. We have vegetable oil, water, a regular bottle, a funnel, food coloring, and Alka seltzer.
First we're going to put the funnel on top of the bottle.
Now I'm going to put vegetable oil in it into 3/4. We're going to put some water in. Why isn't the oil and water mixing, Mariah?
Because the water has more dense than the oil. That's why they won't mix. You can do any color you want of your food coloring. We're going to use red because it's called a lava lamp, and we're going to use 10 drops. Next you put on the cap, but make sure it's very tight so it doesn't spill. Next, we're each going to put in a tablet of Alka seltzer.
This way it helps it mix in all together.
Holy cow! Look how much is
Mixing together.
Next, we're going to put another piece of Alka seltzer in.
Cool. Now the bubbles are going up and down. Thank you for watching Allison
And Mariah show.
Hit that subscribe button
And hit that thumbs up if you liked our videos.